the ones that I want to point out are KillAV, WinEnum, WinBF, remote WinEnum.
As in, like, reverse? Like,
okay, so say I use a token and then run the script.
Okay.
On the domain controller.
Okay.
So I run Windows enumeration via my token that I stole from you on the
domain server.
On the domain controller.
So now you just did the whole thing to the entire domain, basically. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So that's the one that you want to just, get the mothership.
So KillAV.
Oh, nice. Hey, didn't mubix, or not mubix, didn't Moonlit write one of these?
Yeah.
Those are all like
not as extensive.
Yeah, that's pretty fracking extensive. So it just kills every. Oh, wow.
Well, anything that's listed as known.
Yeah, just
firewall.
For loop.
Virus.
Sweet.
Another cool one. And you need to fix this as soon as I do it. Run get GUI. Watch the output of this.
Okay.
Damn.
E?
Nope. Tech U. Bob to Tech P. Bob.
Disabled. Enabling it. Beautiful. I had it turned off, so you can now log in. Create a user. No, that's gonna log me out. It's gonna log me out if you try to log in.
But look what I just did.
But you just and you turned on my.
It was disabled. I turned it on.
Uh-huh.
Services was not set to auto. I changed it to auto. Opening the port on local firewall.
Oh, beautiful.
Adding Bob, making me a remote desktop user, making me an administrator. So, wait, what's the RDP thing on there?
It's
RDP.
No, it's our TS client.
It's our desktop. You're right.
Yeah, RDP is just vanilla old.
So it's gonna take a second for it to pop up. Okay. So, what's the other one I want to show you? Oh, WinBF. Run WinBF. So, this will actually brute force a destination.
Oh, from my machine.
From your machine. And it has threading.
So you could run that on the machine upstairs.
What machine is he on? Nothing is... Okay.
Acer Aspire 1.
They're both Aspire 1s.
Anyways, so you get the power that just a couple... This is just a couple things within Meterpreter.
And how long did it take you?
Well, I mean, first you have to have an intimate knowledge of Metasploit, which it's been rolled into. And then... Oh, you bitch. Don't let mubix anywhere near your network.
I disconnected.
So, Meterpreter still says it's connected, and that's just because it doesn't see the disconnected socket.
But if you try to issue a command, you get
But watch this. What is it? Control... Shit, what is it? Control Z.
Yeah.
Background it, and now I can do sessions, so...
Oh, so it's still in the background, and when I come back up, you'll be right back on.
No, I won't. No.
No, it just... I have to re-execute Bob?
Yeah, you have to execute Bob, but
you opened that back door.
If I add the registry, if there's another script that just is internal for a couple guys that adds...
Oh, so we can't have this one?
No, it doesn't come on the SVN. It adds registry keys for whatever executable you want. So you upload the executable.
Oh, of course. Yeah, well, that's a real easy one. That's just the run thing.
No. This is not just run. This is not just run.
Startup.
No. You don't understand. We took auto runs.
Yeah.
And dumped every location it has and put it into a script.
Oh, so it puts it in a startup folder, and it's also in the run on boot, and it's also on the
run.
There's over
1,000.
Over 1,000.
Over 1,000
places to start.
Really?
Yeah.
My favorite is the run once.
Microsoft likes to make it easy for you to be able to automatically start things.
So you can see that it's still connected, but if I go back, sessions, guy 1, oops. I'm back. But if I do PS,
That's what I was talking about with the footprint on the USB drive.
Yeah.
You can plug that fucker in. At least it's like
now hold on.
So, Meterpreter.
you don't say it's a push. Actually, sit down and 60-degree lens. You know, I mean, obviously, there's somebody just
See logs.
but there's probably someone out there listening.
CD windy num.
Footprint.
Oh, great. I kept the log for 117.
That's the date timestamp of everything. LS. There's your cab file for all it. That's so we could actually. That's a dump of your whole WLAN config. So your passwords and stuff. You dump that into a cracker, and I can crack it.
Oh, dude, I know. It's trivial.
Okay.
In fact, go ahead.
Not with it running from that.
Oh, okay.
But here's nice.
Oh, hey, look. Beautiful. Yep. Oh, that looks pretty familiar.
Kind of scary.
So here's the kind of cool stuff. There's your firewall configuration. Output of net sh. There's your groups that it can see. There's Bob. So the thing is that some rootkits can change things. Even some administrative things like EPO install somewhat of a rootkit to alter things. So WMIC and NetStat can actually look different when you export. What this does is runs everything, so you can see how it comes up multiple times. Damn it. You can see how things come up multiple times. It's just so that you can get a better picture or
it's
more
making
accurate.
sure you get it. Yeah, I hear you.
How would that help?
That's ridiculously awesome, dude. Lockout duration. Never.
So
54 million seconds.
these are your active connections, so I can see where you're actually connected to. And it's that.
So then you can find your next target.
Yep. Exactly.
Yeah. Came from you.
You know,
Da.
that really fucks over all the traditional things.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's
Well, it's almost the end of this decade, right?
yeah, I guess you're right. All of the,
What's traditional now?
How do you learn all this?
By doing it.
Offensive security, certified professional. But yeah, by just screwing with stuff. I mean, I wanted to learn how
Try
to
hard, yes.
try harder.
Try harder than me.
drink less fail sauce.
Get pounded by less if you
Imagine having that on every system in a network. And then going to them the next day and saying, here's a USB stick with all your stuff.